Hi all, I'm here to ask a favor of you. I'm involved in an educational research project, and I'd like all of you to participate as research subjects. I'll describe that research in a little bit. First, a little background. If you've been paying attention to the study journal assignments, you might have cued in that, as a scientist, I'm trained to base my views on what other researchers have found using sound scientific methods. So I had you view videos by Dr. Chu, who presents research on study strategies, and I had you watch a video by Professor Carol Dweck, who presented research on growth mindset. As a scientist, it's my responsibility to contribute to that research knowledge base too. I'm working with Dr. C.C. Crosby, a fellow Clark biology professor, and Gretchen Roll-Wagons-Bolens, a biology professor at Washington State University, Vancouver. We're interested in testing to see if a brief, simple classroom activity called a values affirmation exercise improves biology exam scores. This is the research that I'm asking you to participate in. We have two versions of the values affirmation exercise. I have randomly assigned half of you to complete version A and the other half of you to complete version B. I've made the values affirmation exercise part of this week's StudyJournal6 assignment, so you'll be earning points for your effort. Please complete the study journal to earn those points, regardless of whether you or not you choose to be a participant in the research study. Question 1 of StudyJournal6 provides an informed consent document that gives more information about the research project. To be a participant in the research, you'll need to sign and upload that document. If you don't sign and upload the informed consent document, I won't be able to include your data in my research project. Now this is important. Your participation in my research project is entirely voluntary. Your score on StudyJournal6 will not be affected by whether or not you submit a signed informed consent form. And I won't be collecting any other data related to the research project until after final grades for the class are posted, so your participation will not affect any of my other grading in class. As we've seen in some of the labs for our class, the bigger the sample size, the better the research project. So please do consider providing your consent to be a participant in my research study, but again, please don't feel badly if you choose not to participate. Thanks.